Good morning students. After doing more questions of composite function by using chain rule, today we start inverse trigonometric function. It means how we differentiate inverse trigonometric function. I am going to take one more question of chain rule. Here it is given differentiate the given function which is cos x cube into sine square, that is x power 5 with respect to x. Actually it is product of two functions. So first of all we have to use product formula. So we write differentiating both sides with respect to x. Both sides with respect to x we get by using product rule, that is derivative of the product of two functions is equal to first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. This is the formula. So पहले हम इस फार्मूला को यूज करेंगे. और फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज दिस, इट इज u. Second function is v. So we get derivative of y is equal to, that is we may fix first function, so it is cos x cube and it depends only on you. ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि which function you are going to take first and which one second. But you have to use same method, same way. Derivative of second function sin square x power 5 plus second function out, इसको बाहर आप लिख लीजिए, and the derivative of first function is cos x cube. Okay, now here we are supposed to use chain rule. Simply this is cos x cube. Now in this we are supposed to differentiate it with respect to x. So first of all we use the formula derivative of x power n. It means we are supposed to take sin x power 5 as u. So we get 2 into sin x power 5. It means x power n, derivative of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Now this is removed. Now we are having sin x power 5 and derivative of sin x power 5 is cos x power 5. Now we come to the last function, that is x power 5, and its derivative is 5 into x power 4. This is about the derivative of your first part. So here in class 12 it is not required to use chain rule to show it, but in between we are supposed to use plus this function as it is sin square x power 5 into, it is cos x cube. So first of all we differentiate leftmost function, derivative of cosine is, that is minus sin x power 3. Now this cos is removed. Which function is left there? X cube, and derivative of x cube is 3x square. So definitely we write it as, it is equal to, we multiply it 5 to the 10, so 10 x power 4, then cos x cube sin x power 5 cos x power 5, then plus into minus minus 3x square sin square x power 5 and sin x cube. This is about your chain rule or derivative of composite function. Now after doing the derivative of composite function, we are supposed to get derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. So it is your second part, and from this part maximum times 1 mark question or sometimes 2 marks questions came in your board. Now 6 inverse trigonometric functions are there. Sin inverse x, so its derivative is here, it is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan x, tan inverse x comes as 1 by 1 plus x square. Next one, derivative of cot inverse x equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of sec inverse x is equal to minus 1, that is 1 by x into root over x square minus 1. Here this x is always positive, so in some books it is given as mod x due to restrictions of quadrants. So it is derivative of cosec inverse x, now it is minus 1 by, that is x root over x square minus 1. Here also it is supposed to be positive. Now what's about their proofs? We may prove that very easily. For example, we are going to prove this. So first of all, we take this function is what? Y. So first we take let y is equal to sine inverse x. When we take sine inverse x as y, then by the property of inverse trigonometric function, we get sine y is equal to x. It is very easy. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we are supposed to differentiate it with respect to x. So that's why when we use chain rule, it comes as cos y, since it is y, so here dy by dx is equal to derivative of x is 1, since d by it is equal to 1. By using the formula derivative of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. यहाँ पे आपको दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट यूज करेंगे. But our interest to find what? dy by dx. So we write dy by dx is equal to 1 by. In equation number 1, we have x in terms of sine y and we let it is given in terms of x. फंक्शन आपका x के टर्म में दिया गया है, हम y अपने मन से लिए हैं तो हमको इसको कन्वर्ट करना होगा. So it implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by, it is 1 minus sine square y by using trigonometric identity. Since we may write cos y equal to root over cos square y equal to root over 1 minus sine square. So it comes as 1 by root over 1 minus x square and it is dy by dx. And what is y? Y is sine inverse x 1 by root over 1 minus x square, since sine y is equal to x. This is your derivation of formula number 1 and similar derivation for other formula. Here in last two, we are supposed to divide in quadrants. So this is the restriction here, that is x written outside of the root, that is always positive. Now do some questions. Now differentiate that is the function, let very simple function tan inverse 1 plus cos x is equal to sin x with respect to x. यहाँ पे आपका डिफरेंशिएशन में इन केस ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन आपको आधा काम इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन का करना है, आधा काम डिफरेंशिएशन का. सो व्हाट्स अबाउट हाफ वर्क? अब देखिए कैसे हाफ वर्क इसको करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टेक लेट, इसमें सब में पहले ही होता है लेट tan इनवर्स दैट इज cos x बाई sin x. अब आप पूछोगे सर लेट क्यों किए? टू डू हाफ वर्क, इट मीन्स टू सिंप्लीफाई द फंक्शन. जैसे आपका इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन में क्वेश्चन था कि नहीं, सिंप्लीफाई द फंक्शन. ओके, सो आई राइट हियर that is tan inverse, what is 1 plus cos x? Actually it is 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, by trigonometric identities it is 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2 by using the formula sin 2a. Now when we cross out tan, then it is get x by 2, then sin x by 2 and it is equal to cot x by 2. आप देखिए प्रॉब्लम है, सिंस वी नो tan इनवर्स x यहाँ पे लिखते हैं, यूज करना है tan इनवर्स आप tan x is equal to x, so we are supposed to use that, so I write here tan इनवर्स. अब cot को tan में कैसे चेंज करेंगे? वेरी सिंपल, that is tan pi by 2 minus the angle. Now we may use this formula to get it is equal to पाई बाई टू माइनस एक्स बाई टू वाई। इतना काम सारा आपने चैप्टर 2 का किया है। नाउ सिंपल थिंग, डिफरेंशिएटिंग with respect to x, we get derivative of y is dy by dx. Pi is constant, pi by 2 is also constant, so it is 0, minus derivative of x is 1, so it comes as 1 by 2. Therefore derivative of the given function is tan inverse 1 plus cos x by that is sin x, it is equal to minus 1 by 2. So easy. ठीक है, आपको कोई टेंशन नहीं लेना, आधा पार्ट इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन का, आधा पार्ट डिफरेंशिएशन। ओके।